So good morning, good day everyone. I'm Stephen C. Tampos and I'm here to teach you how to solve a optimization word problem. So I have here a given. Suzanne wants to construct a rectangular box without a top from 8 feet by 3 feet. Rectangular cardboard sheet by cutting equal size squares and then folding the remaining cardboard into the shape of the box. What size square should be cut from the corners of the sheet in order to construct the box of the greatest possible volume? So first, we're gonna illustrate our problem. And we're asked to cut an equal size square. So we're gonna cut in here both side square. And we have given 3 feet by 3. So our length here is 8 feet. And our width here is 3 feet. I'm gonna put X here to indicate the square that cut from the cardboard. So I'll put X here. And we gonna, and the original size of the length is 8 feet, and we're gonna put here minus 2x because of this cutting equal size, and same as here we're gonna put a minus 2x here because of this equal size by having cutting of equal size in the cardboard. New length here is 8 feet minus 2x, and our new width here is 3 feet minus 2x, and our height here is unknown, so we're gonna assume the height here is x. So the formula of the volume is length times width times height. So let's substitute this using our formula. So we have here our volume. We have substitute this using our formula is we have 8 feet minus 2x and 3 feet minus 2x, and our height here is x. So let's copy this. And here we're gonna distribute our x. So next step, we're gonna add this and we're gonna distribute this. So 8 times 3x is equals to 24x, and 8 times 2 times negative 2x squared here is negative 16x squared, and negative 2x times 3x is positive negative 6x squared, and negative 2x times negative 2x squared is positive 4 x cubed. So we're gonna arrange this by their exponent at the higher exponent. So 4x cubed minus so we're gonna simplify this, and we have 4x cubed minus, simplify this because they have the same value and the same value of their variable, so 22x squared, copy 24x. We have our model here in volume. Next step, we're gonna derive this by and equate to 0. So we're gonna derive here, it becomes 12x squared minus 22x squared. Derive this, it becomes negative 44x, and and 24x here is it comes 24. So we're gonna equate this. Next step, we're gonna equate this into 0. So here, and don't forget to write dB here, the derivative of volume. So next, we're gonna have quadratic formula, and the quadratic formula is negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus a c all of 2a. So substitute the derivative of volume in using the quadratic formula. So here's our a, b, c. So our b here is negative times negative equals positive. So positive 44 plus minus and square root of 44 squared minus 4, and our a here is 12, and our c is 24 all over 2 times the a is 12. Next step, negative 4 multiply 12 and 24, so it becomes minus 1152, and then copy the square root, copy 44 and plus and minus, and all over 2 times 12. And next, you're gonna minus this and multiply this 2 times 12. So first we're gonna minus this 1936 minus 1152 is equals to 784. So copy square root 784 all over, multiply this 2 times 12 is equals to 24, and copy 44 and plus minus. So here we're gonna find the square root of 784. So the square root of 784 here is 28. So copy the 44 and plus minus 28 all over 24. Here, we cannot add and minus here at a time. So, we're gonna add and minus here one by one. So, mine equals 44 plus 28 all over 24. So 44 plus 28 all over 24 is equals to 3, and we're gonna minus, and 44 minus 28 all over 24, and the answer of that is 0.67. This is our x, and this is our x2. So this is our x, and we're gonna substitute our x to our model. So here's our model: 4x cubed minus 22 x squared plus 24 x. So substitute our x here. So it becomes 44 3 cubed minus 22 3 squared plus 24 3. So the answer of this, in getting this answer, you're gonna 4 times 3 and cube. So the answer of that is, so this is our f of 3, and the answer of this is negative 18. This is our f of 3, and this negative 18 is no for our volume because it's negative. So let's use our x2 here, and use again this our volume in model. So 4, and our x there is 0.67 cube minus 22 0.67 squared plus 24 0.67, and the answer of this f of 0.67 is equals to our answer of this is our f of 0.67 is 7.41. So this is our greatest possible volume. Once again, this is our greatest possible volume, 7.41. So thank you for listening. That's all. Thank you.